this video I am going to explain you the trick of finding a square of any number as well as square of any decimal number also. Okay, let us start finding square of two digit numbers first. Suppose let us take a two digit number as 27 whole square. Let us find square of this number first. First, if any problem is given 27 whole square, first you have to write square of the first digit number 2 square. You will get 4. Okay. Now, in next step, you have to multiply these two with 2. That is 2 into 7. Okay. There is no middle term between them. It is only double digit, right? 2, 7. So, you have to multiply 2 into these two numbers. 2 into 7. You will get 14 into 2. That is nothing but 28. Okay? Now, next. You have to write the square of this number. Okay? That is 7. 7 square. It is nothing but 49. Okay? Now, write down this number here. And now carefully observe how the answer will be. Write down this 9 here. Okay? Carry this 4 to here. This becomes 32. Is it not? Write down here 2. Now carry this 3 to here. This becomes 7. So the answer is 7 to 9. Okay. The same steps you have to follow for any double digit number. Okay. Now let us go to 3 digit number and find the square of that number. Now let us find square of 3 digit numbers. To explain you, I will just write them little further. 1, 3, 6 whole square. Okay. First you have to write the square of 1. 1 square. This is equal to 1. Next, you have to multiply these 2 with 2. That is 2 into 1 into 3. This is nothing but 6. Okay. Next, you have to multiply these 2. Okay, with 2. But in middle you are having number 3. So you have to write 2 into 1 into 6. In middle, when you are multiplying 1 into 6, there is a number in middle. It is a 3. So you have to write square of that number. 3 square. Okay. This is equal to 12 plus 9. This is equal to 21. Okay. This side of multiplication we done. Now we have to do in reverse. That is 6 into 3. So 2 into 6 into 3. In middle no number is there. So this is equal to 36. Okay. Now at last you have to come to the last number. Okay. That is 6 square. That is nothing but 36. Okay. Now observe how the answer I will write it. I will write first here 6. This 6. Carry this 3 here. This becomes 39. Okay. Now again carry this 3 here. This becomes 24. So write down here 4. Now carry this 2 here. This becomes 8. And next write down, nothing is there to carry out here. So simply write down here 1. So the answer is 18496. Now let us go for 4 digit number and calculate the square of that number. Okay. Now let us calculate the square of the number 1215. To explain you, I am writing the numbers little far. Okay. Now let us start calculation. Here the first number is 1. So write down the square of that number. This is equal to 1. Okay. Now next you have to calculate the product of this number with 2. Okay. That is 2 into 1 into 2. As there is no middle number, no need to write plus and square of any number. So this becomes 4. Okay. Next you have to calculate the product of this number. Okay. This becomes 2 into 1 into 1. In middle you are having a number 2. So you have to write square of that number, 2 square. This is equal to 2 plus 4. Nothing but 6. Okay. Next you have to find the product of this one. 1 into 5. 2 into 1 into 5 plus here you are having two numbers, is it not? So simply write down here 2 into 1. If it is one number means you will write square of that number. If there are two numbers means you have to multiply 2 into 1. Okay, in between 1 and 5 you are having two numbers, 2, 1. So I have written 2 into 1. This is equal to 10 plus 4, nothing but 14. Okay. Now next you have to calculate these two. So this becomes 2 into, here I am having 1 in middle. So 2 into 5 plus 1 square. One number is there, right? So you have to write square of that number. This is nothing but 20 plus 1 equal to 21. Okay. Next you have to multiply these two. So this will be 2 into 1 into 5. In middle though no number is there, so just leave it off. You will get 10. So at last you are left with 5. Write the square of that number. It is 25. So you got 1, 4, 6, 14, 21, 10, 25. Okay. Now see carefully how I am writing the answer. First I will write here 5. Carry this 2 here. You will get 12. Write down here 2. Carry this 1 here. You will get 22. Write down here 2. Carry this 2 here. You will get 16. So write down here 6. Carry this 1 here. This becomes 7. Nothing is there to carry out here. So write down here 4. From here to here nothing is there to carry. So write down here 1. So the answer is 1, 4, 7, 6, 2, 2, 5. Now let us go to 5-digit number. Okay, and in case of 5-digit number I will take a decimal point so that you can calculate for decimal numbers. You will get an idea how to get a square of a decimal number. Okay, let us start. Let us think the problem is given as 24.163 whole square. Okay, first we have to remove the decimal point and write the number. 24163 whole square. For some moment just forget about the decimal point. Okay, so you will have 5 digits, is it not? To explain you I will just write them little far, these numbers. 2, 4, 1, 6, 3 whole square. Okay. First we have to write the square of number. So it is 2 square. is nothing but 4. Next you have to find the product of this number. So 2 into 4, in middle no number is there, so it is no need to write the square of any number. So 8 into 2 is nothing but 16. Okay. Next you have to find the product of this number. 2 into 1 plus, in middle you are having 4, is it not? So write the square of that number. You will get 4 plus 16 is equal to 20. Okay. Next you have to calculate the product of 2 into 6. Okay. So 2 into 6, in middle you are having only 2 numbers, so 2 into 4 into 1. If it is one number, you will write square of that number. If it is 2 number, you will write 2 into 4 into 1. This is equal to 12 into 2 is nothing but 32. 12 into 2 is nothing but 24 plus 8. This is equal to 32. Okay. Next you have to calculate the product of 2 into 3. Okay. So you have to calculate 2 into 3 means in middle you are having 3 numbers. Carefully observe how I am writing. Okay. 2 into 3, right? So 2 into 3. First I will write it off. Next you are having 3 middle numbers, 3 numbers, 4, 1, 6, is it not? So you have to multiply these 2 with 2 and middle square of the number. That is, these 2 in middle you will be with 1, that square you have to write. So this will be 2 into 4 into 6 plus 1 square. Okay. This is equal to 12 plus 48 plus 1. This is nothing but 61. Okay. Next you have to calculate 3 into 4. So 2 into 3 into 4, in middle you are having 2 numbers, 2 into 1 into 6. This is equal to 2 into 12 plus 2 into 6, 24 plus 12. This is equal to 36. Now you have to calculate 3 into 1. Okay. Two into 1 into 3, in middle you are having 6, so square of that number, 6 square. This is equal to 6 plus 36 equal to 42. Okay. Next you have to multiply these 2. So this is nothing but 2 into 6 into 3. This is equal to 2 into 18 equal to 36. And at last we are with 3. So 3 square equal to 9. So let us write the values which we got. Okay. So we got 4, 16, 20, 32, 61, 36, 42, 36, 9. Now observe how I am writing the answer. Okay. Here 9 is there. I will write here 9. Here nothing is there to borrow, so I will write here 6. 6. I will carry this 3. This becomes 45. So write down here 5. carry this here 4, you will get 40. So write down here 0. Okay, carry this 4 here, you will get 65. So write down here 5. Carry this 6 here, you will get 38. Write down here 8. Okay, now carry this 3 here, you will get 23. Write down this 3 here, carry this 2 here, you will get 18. Write down here 8. Carry this 1 here, you will get 5. Write down here 5. Now come to the decimal point. Here in question they have given that 24.163. After decimal point you have 3 digits 1, 2, 3. So square means 3 plus 3. Is it not? 3 plus 3 is nothing but 6. You should get 6 digits after the decimal point in the answer. Okay, again I am repeating. Here after decimal point 3 digits you have. So square means 3 plus 3 6. So in the answer you have to get 6 digits after decimal point. Come to the answer now. Count from the back side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Here put down the decimal point. This is the final answer. Similarly, you can take any number and find the square of that number. It can be any digits with the same logic and the same trick. If you are clear with the steps, then you can get the square of that number easily. Okay. Please like, share and subscribe for more tricks on more concepts. Thank you.